If you like to meal prep, then the Ninja Crispi is for you. Since I've had this, I've no longer had to eat my meal prepped food cold where I can't find somewhere to heat it up. I can easily fit this in a backpack and take it with me. All I need to do is then find a power outlet and I'm able to reheat my food. Using the Recrisp function that it has, doesn't just reheat my food and make it soggy sometimes like a microwave does. It actually gives it like a nice crispy texture. One drawback I would say with this air fryer is it is not huge, so I wouldn't be expecting to cook for a lot of people with it. You do have this large container which you can cook on using the adapter they give you, and I was able to cook me and two other guys at work some breakfast sandwiches where we didn't have facilities to make hot food. So it did actually come in very handy. I like the lid that it comes with, the small one. Also has a part that you can attach the tray to, so it makes it easy to take with you. So if you've cooked something, you can just pop this in the fridge, and then when you're ready to reheat, simply take the lid off, put the power pod back on, and it is ready to go. My pros and cons of this is the fact that it's portable, it's quick to reheat, so easy to use, and it has made it so that I can eat my meal prep food hot anywhere I go. But my cons, I wouldn't be expecting to make massive portions in this, and you are gonna have to find a power outlet to use it. But I'm absolutely loving the Ninja Crispi, and I would recommend it to anyone, especially if you meal prep and you wanna eat your food hot and crispy outside of the home.